by Livepeer and ready to use if you are a creator. So these are ready to go. We'll see some cool demos. First up, we have Cyprien from Beem. And I'm going to take my laptop out. This is going to be 15 minutes, so everyone's getting 5 minutes.
All right, hey everyone. Hope you're doing well. So I'm Cip. I'm the co-founder of Beem.xyz. Beem.xyz is a video app to create video apps. So basically the way it works is that all the stuff that you heard about all the different protocols, all the different apps for creators, etc., we've all integrated them into a single interface. So now from Beem, you can use Livepeer to do live streaming. You can use IPFS and Filecoin as well as Bundler and Arweave to upload your content there. And you have full provenance, meaning that you have you sign with your wallet and you have a copy of the content that is on IPFS and that is on Arweave that is signed by your wallet, up to 30 gigabytes. So we have a pretty big audience of filmmakers that are using Beem. They need to have very high quality, high definition content to upload, so it's a good solution for that. And we do also the whole financialization, meaning the peer-to-peer payments. We use 0x splits. I don't know if you know that. Cool. So we use split wallets to do that. So basically, as a creator, you can create a split, and then you can add your whole team, and then everybody will get paid exactly what they need every time someone makes a payment for that video. So we do live events, meaning you can do a live stream, or you can do a Zoom call that you can token gate, that you can make pay-per-view, or that you can just make for free, or a voucher-based access. But you can also do VOD, meaning you can just put your video out there and then have people pay for it, or just token gate it with your own token. And so the longer goal for us is basically to offer that suite of products directly integrated into the single interface so that everyone can build their own video app. And the reality is that we've already done that. We already have one live app on the market, which is not Beem, which is literally a group of filmmakers that came together and that they created their own video app. And the cool thing, if it's no code, it's permissionless, you can just go right now and start creating it. And yeah, so the plan for us is literally to give all those tools in a single, no-code, end-to-end interface that is very easy to use for everyone. So then you, as a creator, you don't have to pick between, lens, or should I upload to IPFS, should I do, no, everything is on the same interface, everything is easy to use. You don't have to think about how to implement it. You just have to click a few buttons and sign with your wallet. So yeah, by the way, we are starting our fundraise literally today. So if there is an investor in the room, happy to talk. Yeah, we have about 30,000 users that have already used Beem, about 100 creators that started using it. And as I mentioned earlier, we are going to integrate Lens as well, so that it's going to be way more open in terms of social graph. So yeah, the full roadmap is really ownership. Ownership of content, ownership of the revenue pipeline, and of course, ownership of the relationship with the community. So this is where Lens come into play, as well as Farcaster. I don't know if any of here is on Farcaster, but we also are planning to integrate Farcaster directly into the app. So again, single interface, no code, just to do that. You can check it out right now. It's Beem.xyz, and you can build your own video app, meaning your own mobile app as well, iOS, Android, and of course, a web app. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Cyprien, Beem.xyz. Check it out. Next up, we have Ayush, co-founder and CEO of Huddle 01.
Has always been imminent and has always happened. It's happening right now. Dive
It's been live for the last 2 years now. And you can just spin up your own app by doing huddle01.com, and you can have your own proper experience of doing a meeting. Now, why did we build this? Very simple reason. There are 3 problems in current RTC space. There's a privacy problem, performance, as well as top-down economy. That means all the value which is getting accrued gets accrued either to the cloud providers or something like the platform itself. Now, this is what Huddle01 is, that we are building a proper unified-based solution. That means you can do all the things you can do on all these platforms, but apart from that, you can use your wallets to connect, and you can have any kind of DAOs and NFT communities to use it completely. Now, this is how the platform looks. It's live. I can show you a demo right now, but this is how it looks. That means you can connect your wallet, and bam, you're in. You can do a proper meeting. And what I'll do is I'll quickly spin up maybe the room. So just go here, huddle01.com, you start your meeting. And as you start your meeting, you'll be able to connect I think the net is not working well, but you can actually do is that you can just connect your wallet, and bam, you're inside the room. As you're inside the room, you can use your chat, you can do video call, you can do live streaming. For live streaming, you can use something like, you can use Livepeer, and you can live stream onto any of your own HLS player you want. And this has been the traction on the app. So we've done more than 30,000 minutes of meeting, 30,000 meetings, 16,000 total users, more than 6,000 wallets connected, as well as a couple of DID-based users. That means Lens, Forecaster, ENS, Unstoppable Domain. You can use any kind of these things to use Huddle01. Now, this is our SDKs. The SDKs are also live. That means not only can you use a platform, but you can build on top of our platform as well. Now, these are the Web3 native features. That means you can have a quick integration. It's very composable with Lens. It's composable with Livepeer. It's composable with XMTP, Push. You can use any kind of these chat. You can use live streaming. You can use social layers to have a proper experience of building your own WhatsApp, Discord, and what else. Now, what else for Huddle01? So we are building a proper DRTC protocol. That means, let's suppose if I, Doug, Shan are doing a call, if Doug has a good internet connection, he can become a node, and he can power the call of all of us. So that's something which we are building, and that will be live in Q2 of 2023. Now, this is something which we had built with Lens, where it's called Lens01, where you can see you can have a proper E2E calls. It's proper group calls, audio calls, and then also it's properly composable and scalable. So this is live. You can try it out right now. And yeah, this is the ecosystem. We have more than 90 plus projects already built on top of us. And yeah, the infra has been live for the last 3 months. And yeah, these are the emerging use cases. That means you can use wallets like MetaMask, Coinbase, schedulers like cal.com. And yeah, you can right away spin up your own meetings. And yeah, this is the team. We are pretty big now. We are a team of 23 people. And this is the FileCon Bangalore event, which we had did, I think, 3 months back. And yeah, I think this is about us. Spin up your own meeting. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Ayush. Kimmo from Orb. Kimmo, are you here? Hey.
Amazing. Hey, everybody. So I'm Kimmo. I'm from Orb. We are 3. We are super small. We started 6 months ago. We are mobile first on Lens. And yeah, if you don't have a Lens profile yet, you should probably get one. And now we are calling us a super app for social media. And it's basically Lens and on top of Polygon. And I was thinking what to talk here because I only have 4 minutes now. So I'm just gonna share the app, so let's give it a go. So this is my profile. in the app, like we have like currently like 3,000 monthly active users that are like have a lens handle and are doing posts. Like we are looking at this like based on the like posts, and yeah, we have like a feed for the people you follow. Then we have like highlights if the internet is working, and yeah, we recently like a few weeks ago we integrated like Livepeer videos. Still need to do some work. And awesome. We have communities. We made for East Denver, we made an East Denver community. So if you have your ticket NFT and your profile in the same wallet, you are automatically there as a member. So currently, like we only gate the posting here. So the content here is like is still public, but eventually we're going to use Lit protocol and we're going to also gate the content. So only the members will see the content. And we're going to add a lot of functionalities here in the future, so stay tuned. And we're also going to open it up for future communities also. What else? We have like this like a For You section with like some videos, music, podcasts, images. We have like only like a video feed, only image feed. And yeah, if you use GIFs, please, like if you're making GIFs, please check your file size of the GIFs, because it's killing my my mode every day. Like every day I see something that is failing, because like we wanna, like the way what we want to do is we want to be like the Web 2, like we want to look like Web 2 while being Web 3. So like there's no like when you do like postings, like let's say like let's post like cheers from stage. What's gonna happen is like it's going to post, but there's a dispatcher behind, so you don't sign anything. It just like runs with the JWT tokens. So it's posted probably, or the Lens API is still failing. But anyway, this is us. And we have a new feature coming soon. It's called Share Profile. And if you want to follow me, no, it's not here. It's like here. Here. QR. So if you want to follow me on Lens, just like, or you want to download the app, because if you don't have the Lens app or the Orb app, it's just going to go to our main page. So thank you so much.